There are a lot of factors which contribute to premature graying of hair like stress and pollution. I started applying henna or mehendi to cover up my grey color at very young age, but it turned out made my hair orange in color, which I did not like at all. One day I heard about henna-amla hair pack and this was great for my hairs. Trust me guys, I've been using this pack ever since then and thought of sharing with you all today. This henna-amla hair pack not only turns your grey color hair black but also slowly turns your grey hair into black hair. Yes, this method is a bit messy, but it's very effective and safe for coloring hair since I have been using this since very long. In this video, let's see how to turn your grey hair into black. To mix our henna amla pack, first thing is we're going to make a tea concoction. Add 1 glass of water into a pan and make tea using 2 teaspoons of tea powder. We need a strong decoction. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of tea powder and letting it boil. Now you can see it's almost boiled and it is ready to use. Look at the dark brown color that it's going to give it to our hair pack. Next we're taking an iron kadai and taking 2 to 3 teaspoons of amla powder. We're using iron kadai because we're going to let it soak in this and that is going to oxidize our henna and give it a very darker color. And we're going to dry roast it in very low flame. We're going to turn it into darker brown or blackish color so that it's going to stain our hair black, and also it's more effective in turning our gray hair into black hairs because it's going to be more active in that stage. So we're going to dry roast it and then we're going to cool it down. You can see it's almost done. It's become very dark and it's imparting almost blackish color. To this dry roasted amla powder, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of henna powder, depending upon our length of our hair, and we're going to mix this using our tea decoction. If you have dry and frizzy hair, then with this pack you can also add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, or you can also add an egg to make it more frizz free. Also next we're going to add half lemon and mix it well. And now we're going to let this sit in our countertop for 12 hours. Let it soak for 12 hours and then it will be ready to use. After 12 hours we can see that our mehendi is completely become blackish color because of its oxidized in iron kadai that we used for roasting, and we let it soak in the same iron kadai. So we're going to apply this pack after 12 hours and let this sit on our hair for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours we're going to wash it. After first use you will still see some orange strands in your hair, but as soon as you use this you're going to get very blackish hair. So when you start using this hair pack for the first time, then you do use it alternating days, that is 3 times in a week at least you have to use it. So once you've done applying for 3 times, then if you're happy with the results, then you can stop using and you can color it once in 15 days. Vitamin C in amla increases the antioxidants in your body. Amla purifies the blood and enhances hair natural color by preventing the premature graying of your hair. It has antifungal and antiviral properties, which prevents dandruff and other fungal infection and improves scalp health. While it may be safe to try as a general booster, speak with your doctor or other healthcare provider before using amla to treat hair loss, hair lice, or any other underlying condition. Thanks to its nutrient-rich property and pigment, henna is very ideal for those seeking natural hair dye alternatives. Along with acting as coloring agent, henna targets multiple hair concerns such as stimulating hair growth and alleviating dullness.